Naghahanap ba kayo ng cozy na staycation unit na hindi lang maganda, mabango at napaka-aesthetic pa? Hello mga kuda! Welcome to our cozy 2-bedroom staycation unit dito sa Charm Residences. We have 2 bedrooms, one with single bed and pool view and the other one has double bed. Tingnan nyo itong living room. Ang ganda ng ambience, di ba? Maluwag at perfect for bonding moments. Meron tayong flat screen TV for movie nights at high-speed Wi-Fi para sa mga work from home o sa mga gusto lang mag-browse sa internet. As you can see, our unit has pool view. Ayan ang second bedroom. Kitingnan nyo naman, pack na pack ang design para sa relaxing at comfortable na stay nyo dito sa Charm Residences. Sa kitchen, meron tayong fridge big enough to cater your cravings at meron ding microwave oven. May kasama ring free na bottled water and